So children, we were studying about the social insects. The insects which live in large family groups are called social insects. Example of them are ants, honeybees, wasps, termites and so on. And we will study in details about the ants and the honeybee. Here you see in the first picture, you see two ants working together. Two of them have caught hold of a food particle of a food that is another dead insect and they both are carrying it to their ant hill and they will deposit there for their hard times. So in an ant colony there is a queen ant, few male ants and worker female ants. The queen ant and the males, their main function is to reproduce, that is to lay the eggs. The worker ants build the ant hill where they stay together. They protect it from their enemies and also take care of the ant hill. Not only that, they search for food. They go around searching for food, and when they get hold of it, they bring it back to the ant hill and deposit it there and keep it preserved in there for the winters and others. And also they look after the young ants which come hatch from the eggs. Same type is the lifestyle of the honeybees. Similarly, a beehive the nest of a honeybee is called the beehive, which has a queen bee and few drones. The male bees are called drones. The male bees are called the drones, and many worker bees, they are the females. Only the queen lays the eggs in a colony of social insects. So here the queen bees' main function, along with the drones, that is the male bees, the queen bees and the male bees, that is the drones, together their main function is to reproduce, that is to lay the eggs. There are thousands of female worker bees. Their function is to go around and collect the honey from the flowers, nectar and honey from the flowers, and build up the beehive where the queen bee will lay the eggs. And after the queen bee lays the eggs, it is looked after by the worker bees alone. The worker bees, they protect the honeybees, protect the beehive. They look after the young small baby bees which come out from the eggs, and also they collect the honey from all the flowers and deposit in the beehive, and thus the beehive grows bigger and bigger. This is how they divide their work, and they live happily and peacefully in their nest. Here the figure of the bee in a hive is there. Here we see two bees, they are working together in the beehive. Next day we will study about the helpful insects and the harmful insects.